how to migrate WordPress site to Cloudways. So go to plugins, click on install new plugin, and here in search plugins type Cloudways. So let's have Cloudways migrator plugin for easy automated backup process. So Cloudways WordPress migrator, click on install. So waiting, let's click on activate. Okay, done. Enter your Cloudways email. Okay, click on agree and migrate. So destination link. Here it is. Let's copy it. Here is a non-primary link where we have to migrate the whole new site. Copy details, paste one by one, database name, username, password, click on add. Okay, now we can copy MySQL database name and username, what we just created for this database, and password, what we just created as well. So, and now we can click on migrate. It will take some time to validate details. Okay, your site is being migrated. Sit back and relax and wait while it will be completed. Hope this video was helpful for you guys.